السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعزائي طلبة grade 6، هنتكلم في الفيديو ده عن درس translation on the coordinate plane in the integers which is z. First, we have to remember how to locate or determine a point in the coordinate plane in the integers. The coordinate plane in the integers is formed from two straight lines. One of them is horizontal straight line, which is x dash, and the other is vertical, which is y dash. The two straight lines intersect at the original point or the 0 point. Now, let's remember how to locate the points in the coordinate plane. Any point must has a name, and we have to make them in an ordered pair. The first must be x and the second must be y in this form. Now A is 3, 4, B is negative 5, 2, C is negative 4, negative 5, and so on. Let's know how can we determine first A. 3, it means it intersects the x-axis at 3, x-axis at 3, which is here, and the y-axis at 4. It means 3 and 4, intersection of 3 at x and 4 at y, and this is what the point we are need. Now B intersects the x-axis at negative 5 and y-axis at 2, negative 5 and 2. That is where we are looking for. B. C intersect x-axis at negative 4 and y-axis at negative 5, negative 4 and negative 5, negative 4, negative 5, which is here. After that, the point D intersects the x-axis at 6 and y-axis at negative 1, 6 at x-axis and negative 1 at y-axis, which is here. D. E intersects x at 0 and y at 6, 0 and y at 6, which is here. That's E. And F intersect x-axis at 7, which is here, and y-axis at 0, which is here. And that's where is F. G intersect x-axis at 0 and y-axis at negative 6, which is here. And finally, the point H intersects the x-axis at negative 4, x-axis at negative 4, and y-axis at 0, which is here. That's where is H. Now, let's take example of translating a point or a shape on the coordinate plane in Z. Locate the points. First, locate the points A 1, 7, B negative 8, 3, C negative 4, 2 in the coordinate plane. A 1, 7. A intersects with x at 1 and intersects with y axis at 7. It means that's where is A. B negative 8, 3. Negative 8 intersection with x is at negative 8 and with y at 3. It means here. And finally, C intersect with x at negative 4, with x at negative 4, and with y at 2, where is here. That's where is C. Now, that is a triangle. Then find the image of the triangle ABC, by translation x plus 5, y minus 6. Translating any point needs two things. First is the direction, and second the magnitude of the translation, or the quantity of the translation, which is a distance. The translation here in the x-axis, in the x direction, 5 steps to the positive direction. In the y-axis, 6 steps to the negative direction. Now, let's find the image of each point. The point A will be A dash. 1 represents x, which will be added by 5. 1 will be added by 5. And y is 7. 7 will be subtracting by 6. Then 1 plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5, 1 plus 5, y minus 6, 7 minus 6. It will be 6 and 1. B dash will be negative 8 will be added by 5, and 3, which is y, will be subtracted by 6. Negative 8 plus 5 and 3 minus 6. Negative 8 plus 5 equal negative 3. 3 minus 6 equal also negative 3. And finally, C dash, which is the image of C. X is negative 4, will be added by 5. And 2 is y, which will be subtracted by 6. Negative 5 plus 5, negative 4 plus 5 equal 1. 2 minus 6 equal negative 4. Let's determine or look at these 3 points on the coordinate plane. First, A dash will be 6 and 1. 6 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis. That's where A dash. B dash will be negative 3, negative 3. Negative 3 on the x-axis, which is here, and negative 3 at the y-axis, which is here. B dash. C dash will be in 1 and negative 4. 1 on the at the x-axis, 1, and negative 4 intersecting with y-axis, where is here. That is where C dash. Let's join between them. It will be the image, the triangle A dash, B dash, C dash is the image of A, B, C. To verify my answer, you have to notice that this triangle, the image triangle, must be congruent to the original triangle. A dash, B dash, C dash is congruent to A, B, C, and all directions are the same in the image and in the original. Example 2. How can I find the translation or the image of any shape by translation in the coordinate plane? The coordinate plane in the integers. First, locate the points A for 1, B for 3, C 1 3, D 1 1 in the coordinate plane. A for 1, A 4 at x, 1 at y. 4 y. That's where is A. Now B 4 and 3. 4 at x, 3 at y. 4 3. That's where is B. C 1 3. 1 at x, 3 at y. 1 3. And finally D 1 and 1. 1 at x, 1 and y. Let's join between them. Now, then find the image of the shape ABCD by translation for 2. For the direction x4 and the direction x, the direction y is 2. Positive, it means 4 steps to the positive direction at x and 2 steps to the positive direction at y. Just like A dash will be x is 4, will add it by 4, 4 plus 4. Y is 1, will add it by 2, then 1 plus 2. It means 4 plus 4 equal 8, 1 plus 2 equal 3. And same way B dash will be 4 plus 4, 3 plus 2. B dash will be 4 plus 4, 3 plus 2. It means 8 and 5. C dash will be 1 plus 4, 3 plus 2. C dash equal 1 plus 4, 3 plus 2, 5 and 5. And finally, D dash will be 1 plus 4, 1 plus 2. It means 5, 3. Now, let's look at the image of the points on the coordinate plane. A dash, A3, 8 at x, 3 at y. That's where is A dash. B dash, 5, 8. B dash, 8, 5. 8 at x, 5 at y. That's where is B dash. C dash 5 5 5 at x, 5 at y. That's where is C dash. And finally D dash 5 3 5 at x, D 3 with y. That's where is D dash. Now let's join between the 4 points. Remember that the image must be congruent to the original. ABCD is congruent to A dash B dash C dash. And now, what is the type of the shape ABCD? ABCD is that's right, it's a rectangle because it's a quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles. All the angles are right angles and each two opposite sides are parallel, therefore this is a rectangle. Now find the area and its area and its perimeter. To find the area and the perimeter, we have to get the length and the width first. To get the length, AD, the length is AD, the end is D, AD, the end is D, D minus A, D 1 1, A 1 4, 1 is like 1. Then we will find the difference between 4 and 1. Then 1 is D minus 4, 1 minus 4, don't forget that absolute value, 1 minus 4 equals 3 units. And in the same way is, by the same way, let's get the width. The width is AB, for example, AB. The start point is A and the end point is B. Now B minus A, X4 and X4 that are the same. Then we will find the difference between 3 and 2. 3 minus 2, absolute value 3 minus 2 equal 2 units. Now using the old rules, the area of the rectangle, length times width. The area of the rectangle, length times width. Length is 3, width is 2, it means 3 times 2 equals 3 square centimeter, area square centimeter. And the perimeter is length plus width, all times 2, length is 3 and width is 2, 3 plus 2 equal 5, multiply 2 equal 10 centimeter. وبكده نكون خلصنا الدرس ده، وأتمنى أن أنا أكون أفدتكم، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.